This is Hana. Today is her first day in London. She studied English for 5 years, but right now, she cannot say a single word.
What do I say? What do I say?
Welcome to Anime English. Today, follow Hana and learn real English you can use every day. Hana's bag is missing. She needs to ask for help. But how?
My bag, it is not here. What do I do?
In English, when you need help, start with 2 words. Excuse me. These 2 words open every door. Listen to 3 useful phrases. Number 1. Excuse me? Could you help me? Number 2. Excuse me. I am looking for my bag. Number 3. Excuse me. There is a problem. Simple, polite, powerful.
Excuse me, could you help me? I am looking for my bag.
Hana takes a deep breath. She tries.
Excuse me, could you help me? My bag, it is not here.
Of course, no problem. Follow me.
The staff member understood. Even with simple English, Hana was understood. While she waits, a friendly face appears.
All right. You look a bit lost. Can I help?
Oh, yes. I need to go to East London, but I don't understand the map.
No worries. I can show you. It's easy.
Liam said, "All right." This is a British greeting. It means, "How are you?" And he said, "No worries." This means, "It is okay. Do not worry." Here are 3 natural English greetings. Number 1. All right? Casual British hello. Number 2. How's it going? Friendly hello. Number 3. How are you doing? Natural everywhere. And the best natural answer? Just say, "Pretty good, thanks. You?"
All right. How's it going? Pretty good, thanks. You?
Pretty good. Yeah.
Hana found the train. By herself. She is nervous, but she is moving forward.
Piccadilly line, Earl's Court, District line, Stratford. Okay, I can do this.
She arrived with no bag, with simple English.
Day 1. London. I did it!
Welcome to London, Hana. Good luck.
Today, you learned real English. Let's review. Excuse me, to get someone's attention. Could you help me? To ask for help. I'm looking for. To ask for directions. No worries. To say it's okay. I can do this. To encourage yourself. 5 phrases. Use 1 today. English is not about being perfect. It's about being understood. Hana wasn't perfect today, but she was understood. And that was enough. See you in episode 2. Subscribe, like, and share the video, please.